Welcome back to Bring On. Last time we covered variation, today we're diving into Tech Pack, the final step to bring your design to life. Click Tech Pack in the top navigation. Your existing packs are listed by project filter by category if needed, then click to create a new one. Give your Tech Pack a name, select a category we're going with, assign it to a project, then hit Generate. Inside the editor, start with Flat Sketch. Upload whichever views best represent your design from your library or as new images. We're adding side, top, bottom, and back, but you can include any angles that work for your Tech Pack. Once you've added all your images, hit Generate and give it a moment to process. Next is Measurements. In Measurements, you can draw as many lines as your design needs. We'll start with 2 and name each part as we go. From there, we'll quickly run through the remaining lines. Once all lines are set, enter a reference value for one of them and hit Auto Measure. The rest of the values fill in automatically. We've got the flat sketch and measurements locked in. Next up, filling in the design details and getting this Tech Pack export ready. See you in Part 2.